Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow push notifications on the My BMW application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on the settings button in the upper right corner, and then you should scroll down to the app section and click on the third button, which is notifications. Here you should allow push notifications, so tap on this button and then you will be directed to your phone settings, where you need to click on notifications and tap on this allow notifications button. So then turn or go back to the app, and then you will be able to enable the push notifications, so you will receive messages from the app. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.